Hey everyone, Crypto Crumbs here again. One more video for today. So Cardano will be this video's topic. Yeah, just talking about its price action. So anyways, Cardano has been quite strong recently. You can see sideways movement and it went up, went up all the way to 2.4 and then it crashes down because of Bitcoin. So not surprising, right? Cardano follows the market leader quite strictly. So Bitcoin was the market leader during this dump. So yeah, totally not surprising at all. But Cardano is one good thing about Cardano is that it followed my Fibonacci extensions quite well. So you can see 2.4, 1.89, very nice rejection here, and then this range, which is the intermediate Fibonacci lines. There is a trading range right here that corresponded quite well to this Fibonacci range, and then it went down to another Fibonacci range, which it's sort of kind of rejected there, but there is a wick that went all the way down to 1.03 Fibonacci, right? So actually I placed a very big buy order somewhere around here, right? 1.04, but unfortunately it wasn't a filled. I wish it was, but it wasn't, right? 1.04, that's like what, 100 basis points away. I wish I got filled. I mean, if I was filled, I'll probably sell somewhere here, right? But anyways, Cardano, what I think about Cardano in the next few days is that it would probably make a sort of inverse head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so it will go down to somewhere around this Fibonacci. Okay, and it will go back up to 1.56 Fibonacci, and this will complete the inverse head and shoulders pattern of the charts, right? So this price movement, which I am predicting, would probably play out in Bitcoin first. Actually, Bitcoin will actually lead Cardano's price. So Bitcoin is also trying to form inverse head and shoulders. You can see very clearly here. Okay, the current price of Bitcoin is actually between two Fibonacci's. So it has to go to either one of them. It's either this or this, right? And it looks like it's trying to go to this level. So if it goes to this level, it will probably reject. I believe it. Yeah, well, it probably reject, right? It's not going to go all the way down again. I don't think so. And how I managed to tell that is because it's high. It's more or less quite similar to this peak, right? So it's normalized the downtrend. So you can even see that in ADA. If I were to go to ADA's chart, which is here, right? So you can even see it in ADA's chart. I'll go to 30 minutes and you can see it more clearly. Okay, so you can see the price wants to go back to this peak. It just wants to, right? And this is a sign of strength. So yeah, we will see ADA will probably correct down to here, 1.23. And the reason why I believe that will happen is because if you look at the price of Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin, the price correction down to this Fibonacci, okay, is I would say maybe halfway from the distance from here to the bottom, whereas for ADA is more than half, I believe. So I just have to change back to ADA, and yes, it's more than half. And we all know that when Bitcoin dumps, the altcoins dump more, right? This is very normal in the crypto market. And the inverse is true, right? When Bitcoin goes up, the alts go up even more. So the price action of altcoins, especially like ADA, they move a lot more than Bitcoin. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised it actually reverses here, and then it tries to go back up, right? So most likely, ADA could end up here or here. We will see. But what I do believe would happen is that Bitcoin will have to retest the 50,000 at some point. It has to, right? even if it goes down to a bearish scenario, like total bearish scenario, it has to reject the 50,000 somehow, right? Maybe it goes close to it, but it has to reject it. Okay, and that's a test, you know, of the bearish scenario, right? If it goes to full bearish mode, it has to reject here, and then it goes down, 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 down. But if it goes down, it goes up to continuation, which is like this, right? It goes to this 50,000, and then it goes up again. It still has to hit the 50,000 as a form of test. So the question is, where would ADA's price be when Bitcoin retest the 50,000? Okay, and I believe that ADA's price would probably be the 1.89. Okay, but if you're very ambitious, you could try the 2.4. Right, that means, right, when Bitcoin retest the 50,000, okay, ADA will be at here, 2.4. If you're ambitious, you can try this. Okay, personally, I think it's a bit high risk for me, but you know, you could try that, right? So yeah, that's my summary of what happened to Cardano in the past few days. All in all, I do not think that Cardano is going to dump all the way below $1. I think $1 is a very strong support for Cardano, right? But let's say if you go into a full bearish scenario, okay, Cardano might, and I'll say not might, but it's very high chance, right? It'll go below $1 a few times, you know, but it's not going to stay there. I don't think so, right? It's going to probably trade within this range, about $1 to $1.50. Okay, so this is a very reasonable range that ADA would trade in, right? So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos in the future, right? And I'll see you soon.